How's it going, everyone? So I challenge you all to be more of a boring rider. Meaning if someone is following behind you, you're not doing anything flashy, you're not doing anything crazy, but you are riding very well. That's what I want you guys to be. Everybody to be a boring rider. So as you're following behind me, I'm not doing anything dramatic, am I? I'm not bouncing my body around. I'm not doing anything crazy with my line. Nothing. Not a tremendous amount of brake light on and then brake light off and just moving around. Nothing erratic. But we could still be riding around at a very fun pace out in the twisties without doing anything extra. So just like Denzel said in the movie Training Day, all that jelly and no toast. And I see that all the time, especially with the whole body position thing. People jumping around and bouncing around on their bike like a monkey trying to, a football. It's just unnecessary. I mean, sure, do whatever you want to do, waste all your energy you want, and try to win Instagram and hang off the bike way more than you should. Because the thing is, as your speed increases, lean angle becomes more important. But so many people are riding around at a pace that body position is literally irrelevant, and they're not even focusing on the basic stuff. So in the Marines, we used to say, brilliance in the basics. Just get really good at doing the basic stuff, and that will cause you to be a boring rider, but you're a very well-rounded rider, and you can ride at a very good pace and just ride very well, and you're able to adjust to anything. You're the adaptable, adjustable, well-rounded rider. So vision, throttle, brakes, counter steering, then maybe a little bit of line selection. Just get really good at those things, and you would be absolutely surprised of how well and how quick you could ride if that's what you want to do. But no matter how fast or slow you go, it doesn't make a difference. People try too hard to do too much stuff because they're simply worried about what other people are doing, what they want other people to think about them if they're following behind them, or how they look, or there's a camera guy in the next corner coming up and they want to look really cool for that, but they're just lacking the fundamentals. It's like building a castle in the sand. Vision, throttle, brakes, counter steering, then line selection. Those are my top 5 things to think about out in the twisties.